Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to today's video. If you're new here, we are on a 30-day clutter-free closet challenge, and in today's video we are tackling a common challenge: organizing shoes in a small closet where you also keep your clothes. Stick around for some practical tips on how to make the most out of your limited space. Are you struggling to keep your shoes in check while also dealing with clothes in the same small closet? Well, you're not alone. That's the same struggle that I also go through. As you can see, I have my clothes here, there are some up there, but also I have my disorganized shoes down here. My closet might be really organized and neatly edited, but if this space is not organized and edited, everything will look disorganized and in shambles. So I want to take you guys through how I organize my shoes. The number one tip that I want you to note is, when you start organizing your shoes, get rid of everything from this space, remove everything and put them aside, then wipe this space clean. So that's what I'm gonna do with you guys. The second tip is to categorize your shoes. Put your sneakers together, your flats together, your heels. This will make it easier for you to decide on what to keep and what to discard. I've removed the shoes, I've decluttered, I have wiped the space clean. Now I want to return what I'll be wearing. Most of these shoes are actually shoes that I'm wearing. I don't have so many shoes. What I have here and what I wear every single day. I have a couple that need to be repaired. I will show you that. I have some that I am not wearing in this season, especially with the weather and the way it's been raining. I'm not wearing my sandals, open shoes at this moment, so those ones I'll put at the back. Then in front here, I will put my sneakers and boots that I am currently wearing. That's how I organize my shoes. The ones that I'm not wearing in a particular season go at the back, and the ones I'm wearing in that particular season come in front here, so that it's easier to access and to reach them whenever I want to wear them. I will start with this. I was actually given. They are big, they are not my size, so I will not return them in the closet. I will pass them on to my sister who they might fit. These are pretty good. I am not wearing them a lot, but I am thinking of wearing them in this season, especially because they are a bit high, nice wedge, and very, very comfortable. So I will keep them. At the back goes this black ones there, followed by these ones. I have clothes in so that they don't shrink back. So those ones, these two. This I've had for long. I've had this for years. I was given this nice pink vintage heels by my sister. They are really spent and I am not gonna keep them. This will also go at the back. The first row is done, neatly arranged and nicely organized. I've decluttered what I am not wearing and what I will not be wearing. So now we go to the front part of the closet where I'll be keeping what I'm currently wearing, my sneakers, my boots, and everything that I'm wearing in this season. And I am color coordinating. That's the third tip. Color coordinate your shoes. Arrange your shoes by the color to make it visually appealing and easier to find the pair you're looking for. So as you can see, all my black boots are in one side, then all my sneakers are on the right side, then at the back I've done the same thing. This I have been wearing almost every other day, and this ones plus this as well. I love wearing this because they have a thick heel, so I can actually wear them when it's raining and not have my clothes or this part touch water or mud. This I've also been wearing when it's cold, not much when it's raining, because I love keeping them and just maintaining them, plus my other sneakers. So this is what I have and what I am wearing currently. They are serving me really well. I am not planning on buying new shoes except for heels, because I have only this one pair. They're actually two pairs, this black one and this ones. Okay, these ones. So these are the only pairs that I have, but these are a bit high, so they are not shoes that I will reach for every other day. I need a black nice heels beside these ones, and another pair in a very interesting colorful heels. As you can see, most of my shoes are dark colors, and they go well with my clothes because most of my clothes are really bright. So this really goes well with the clothes in my closet, which are super bright and colorful. So I love them the way they are. This is how you organize your shoes in a small closet where you also keep your clothes. And then I have this help my shoes remain fresh and doesn't have that foul smell that sometimes can come from shoes. So I just throw it in there. And I had a small one, this as well. I also just throw it somewhere there. So this space remained really fresh, so clean. It's never bringing some funny smell, because those two help this space remain clean. These ones need to be repaired, but they are nice. I wear them, but they have some like this here, need to be repaired. Same to this one, needs to be repaired. Same to this, needs to be repaired. And also this pair needs to be repaired. So this pair are for repair. I am discarding this pair here. They have really served me, and the heels are really done. And these ones are in good condition. They are pretty new, but they're big size, so I'm gonna give them out. These are my favorite. These ones I wear when I'm going to the market to Gikomba for shopping, because I go there a lot. So these ones are for that purpose, and I am gonna still keep them. My small closet from top. So there you have it, practical tips for organizing your shoes in a small closet where you also keep your clothes. Remember, decluttering regularly is the key to keeping your small closet organized, functional, and stylish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more organization ideas, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, I will catch you guys on my next video. God giving us life and grace. Thank you so much for watching.